Hello guys, today we're playing Roblox. Well, super like a sharky thing, but I don't know good. So today we're gonna be playing this until we finish.
It's a shark obby. I don't know why he wanted to play it.
Oh yeah, so this is not too hard for us because it's so pro. I'm so pro because I'm a YouTuber. Love.
Dude, this is literally our first video.
Yep.
So we're not that professional. Oh, you suck. You freaking suck.
Yeah, so guys.
Ow.
I lasted that one. Sorry.
This is gonna be a long video. Just saying. I think so.
We're gonna have episode 2, dude.
Dude, bro, you suck.
We're gonna have episode 2.
Bro,
We're gonna make another video because you cannot say you suck and all that.
Yes, I can.
We're gonna have to do another video.
Yes, we can.
We have to do another video because you cannot say, hey, you suck.
I could take that out.
How?
Trimming the video.
Oh. So you're gonna take it off?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, take it off. I don't want to be a YouTuber like a idiota.
Dude, a lot of YouTubers say that, so. Look, we just